The Audi R8 in its second generation has always been a terrible car, and today I'm going to show you why. Some say you should never meet your heroes. In my case, I have. I've lived with this car for a couple of weeks, and it is pretty bad. The door doesn't even go up, and the car is extremely difficult to get in and out of. Told you. It's not very practical. For example, the trunk is so small that you can barely fit a box in there, and you cannot even fit a sled inside. Good luck fitting a baby seat inside. The engine doesn't exactly sit in the middle, it's actually shifted to the left, which is demonstrated by this lovely broomstick. Think again if you want to grab a cup of coffee in this vehicle. Hi, can I please get a small iced coffee with milk? Skim milk. 610 horsepower? I don't think so. Check this out. Real intake vents, fake intake vents. The stitching doesn't even match. Look, blue, white, white, blue, blue, black, black, blue, black, white. All-wheel drive quattro, which is just a fancy word for Haldex. 245 width front tire. How can you even get enough grip with this? The center caps don't even spin, unlike in certain premium models. You can actually see the frame through these openings. Come on! It's not low enough. Check this out. Front clearance, 5 inches. Front clearance in my F8 M3, 2.5 inches. Now, which one do you call a supercar? With its massive wing, the exhaust, the carbon fiber, the front lip, it's all show, but no go. And at the end of the day, it's just a fancy Audi TT. I actually dislike it so much that I really want it gone. Gotta get it out of here. Bye. Jeez. What have I done?